Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and we are continuing looking at the brand new 4 new junk journal and ephemera books from Ciao that just arrived all the way from Italy, hot off the press, fresh off the boat, airplane, crate, etc. And we have already done these 3. If you've missed those 3, again, you can just check out our YouTube channel and go see them in fullest as I do a full walkthrough of hot cocoa and holly, including the matching rice paper, frozen land, and Hello Fall. Okay, so if you've missed those, you can catch up. But right now, we're going to look at Dark Academia, which is the 4th book that we're going to walk through. These are amazing junk journal and ephemera books, which contain 160 plus images for your junk journals, collaging, scrapbooking, card making, and paper crafts. There are 32 pages in each of these books. They are printed on 140 GSM, acid and lining free. And then, of course, they are an A4 European size, which is roughly 21 by 29, excuse me, 0.7 centimeters, or about 8¼ by 11¾ US. This is Dark Academia, which is going to have some spooky images, some gorgeous, look at that tall, skinny pocket, beautiful little fishtail banners, journaling cards. Here's another envelope. How creative is this? The flaps are cool. Look at that pocket. So you've got all kinds of fun stuff, including your transparent stickers. Yes, it includes 4 pages of the transparent adhesive stickers. I've covered that in the first book. We even talked about tips. So if you've missed the frozen land, I gave you some tips on how to turn these matte. So if you liked them matte instead, although they're not very shiny, this piece is shiny. This is not so shiny. This is a little bit more matte. But if you want them fully matte, I did talk about some tips. So go check that out for sure. I've got some books. I love ravens and magpies and crows. They're such smart animals. Of course, we also, oh, that's so pretty. We also are Harry Potter fans, so I can see how a lot of these images will also translate into Harry Potter as well. Halloween, and then of course just beautiful florals, because those are pretty no matter when you use them. These are great because you can also change the color as you like. And we're going to talk about the corresponding rice papers here in a second. That is so Harry Potterish. It's so fun. Ooh, wax seals. How nice. Some camera, some backpacks. I love the books. Whoa. Okay, those are beautiful, beautiful backgrounds. No matter no matter what, I love those. So Ciao Bella, we need some of these backgrounds just like by themselves. Full rice papers or full 12 by 12s because they are gorgeous. Oh, look at that. That's gorgeous too. Oh, I love moths. I really do. And butterflies, of course, but moths are stunning. Like for entomology type of specimen slides and all kinds of stuff. Super cool. Candlesticks. This one's a little scarier and creepier, but she is beautiful. Look at her. She's pretty. Oh, I love the cat. We need more cats, definitely. Especially black cats. I didn't know that. We adopted. Oh, this rice paper right here. Love it. I love crows. Um, did you know that black cats are the least adoptable in shelters? So if you ever think about adopting a cat, you might want to consider a black one. That's what we did. We adopted a black cat because they told us they were the least adoptable ones. Because people, I guess, are superstitious. Look at those great pockets. And then, of course, if there's certain areas of the image that might not be for you, you can always cover them up with some of those beautiful other elements like the flowers or the butterflies or the moths. But the backgrounds are gorgeous too, so don't shy away from any image that you might not particularly, again, it's that time of year, fall's around the corner, so. But yes, so definitely. And as far as crows and magpies, I watched a special. That's beautiful, isn't it? Um, oh, look at all of these. You can almost add glossy accents to these and just turn them into just little like chips. They're so cool. Those are fabulous. Um, but they're so smart. So incredibly smart. Oh, look at that with the two cats and the moths. The colors are beautiful. Almost want to channel that William Morris effect. So pretty. These are beautiful backgrounds too. Love the frames. But yes, they are so smart. And so, yeah, I totally gained a new admiration for them once I've learned all of their, how clever they are, how they learn and process and, you know, are able to work simple machines. Look at that fat little kitty cat. Ooh, beautiful wallpaper. Is that a vulture in a hat? I think it is. Again, I'm seeing these for the first time. If you guys missed the other books, then these just arrived. I'm seeing them for the first time with you guys. Now, of course, like I said, I did see them when I ordered, but obviously I didn't see all the details, nor do I remember. But now that I'm seeing them again, I love these. That is so Hogwarts, right? Of course, it could be, I don't know, Count Dracula's castle. I'm not sure. The Legend of the Count, right? Oh, look at that is beautiful. And I love how the wallpaper's kind of like, the books are showing through. And this, again, very entomology kind of a feel to it. Another beautiful background. Here comes some stickers. Oh, more stunning backgrounds. Those wallpapers are just gorgeous. You almost want to have them in your home. They're beautiful. Some great pockets. Love the coins as well. Then we open up. We've got additional pockets everywhere. Moths and kitty cats. Gorgeous medallions. Again, you can put an eyelet on that and hang that as well, or turn them into coasters or pockets if you'd like. And then, of course, we're going to open that all the way up and get that beautiful, beautiful continuous image as well. Gorgeous, rich colors on that one with all the books. Let's take a look at the rice paper, shall we? Yes, we shall. So let's take a look at these 8 rice papers that are included in this pack. Beautiful crows or ravens. We've got lots of great images that, again, we can cut out and even color ourselves if we want to. I love the monochromatic almost feel to them. Oh, that cat, I love him. Oh, reminds me of the Sword of Gryffindor. Now, for those of you who are Harry Potter fans, you'll probably know what that means. Madison, my daughter, is going to love this collection because she loves her Harry Potter. She's over there going, ooh. See, she hasn't seen these yet, but she is now. I know who's going to want to pack. Again, don't forget we're fully stocked, so make sure you check out the online store for these tons of other Ciao Bella products and thousands of other products from around the world. Oh, isn't that a beautiful, beautiful library? Just gorgeous. Gorgeous 8 beautiful rice papers as well as the book. Again, don't forget to check out the other books that arrive. Plus, don't forget that there are other junk journal and ephemera books from Ciao Bella that are back in stock as well. So if you missed those, just type in junk journal and ephemera books or go to our Ciao Bella section in the online store, and you'll be able to see the other books as well because they are also phenomenal. Okay, now what are we going to do next? Next, we are going to look at 3 brand new collections that just arrived as well with the shipment. Those collections are full collections. They include your 12 by 12, 8 by 8 by 8 rub-ons, stencils, you name it. It's a full collection. So I am going to leave a link here at the end so you can click on that and it'll take you to the next video. Of course, any of the other videos that you might have missed or you want to go back and check out, you can just visit our YouTube channel for all those videos as well. Okay, let's click on that. I'll see you there.